Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're counting down the top 10 smartest animals in the world. Some of these animals can solve puzzles, use tools, recognize faces, and even plan for the future. You might be surprised by how intelligent some of these creatures really are. Let's jump right in. Dogs are more than just man's best friend. They're incredibly intelligent animals with amazing emotional awareness. Many dogs can learn over 200 words, understand hand signals, and even pick up on human moods and facial expressions. Border collies, poodles, and German shepherds are often considered the smartest breeds, able to learn new commands in just a few repetitions. Dogs also show problem-solving abilities. For example, some can open doors, find hidden objects, and navigate obstacles without training. Their social intelligence is just as impressive. They can understand pointing gestures, recognize their owners' voices, and learn routines. Studies have shown that dogs can even count, predict human behavior, and remember locations. Their strong bond with humans helps them learn faster, making them one of the smartest domesticated animals on the planet. The octopus is often called the alien of the ocean, and for good reason. These creatures have 9 brains, 1 main brain and a mini brain in each arm, allowing them to multitask like nothing else on Earth. Octopuses are escape artists. They can unscrew jars from the inside, squeeze through holes the size of a coin, and learn how to open containers in seconds. They're masters of camouflage, changing color and texture instantly to blend into coral or sand. In labs, octopuses show memory skills, problem-solving, and even play behavior. Some have been observed stealing food from other animals, short-circuiting aquarium lights, and taking apart equipment just out of curiosity. Their intelligence is so advanced that scientists believe they experience boredom and may even dream. The octopus is one of the most mysterious and brilliant animals in the ocean. Pigeons might seem ordinary, but they're actually among the smartest birds ever studied. They have incredible navigation skills, able to travel hundreds of miles and return home using Earth's magnetic fields, the sun, and even memory of visual landmarks. Pigeons can recognize over 50 different human faces, even after long periods of time. In scientific tests, they've identified letters of the alphabet, matched photographs, and even distinguished between paintings by Monet and Picasso. One of the most surprising things is that pigeons can detect cancer cells in medical slides with accuracy similar to trained doctors. Their pattern recognition abilities are exceptional. They also learn quickly, remember images for years, and can understand the concept of time. Despite being overlooked, pigeons are one of the most intelligent and adaptable birds in the world. Rats are incredibly smart and excellent problem solvers. They're known for their maze-running abilities, but their intelligence goes far beyond that. Rats can learn complex routes, remember them for months, and adapt when the maze changes. They also display empathy, a rare trait in animals. In experiments, rats freed trapped companions even when ignoring them would have given them food instead. This shows emotional intelligence and moral decision-making. Rats learn by observation, meaning they can watch another rat perform a task and copy it. They form social hierarchies, communicate with high-frequency sounds, and can even understand simple numerical concepts. Because of their intelligence, they're used in scientific research to study learning, memory, and even addiction. Rats may not look impressive, but mentally, they're one of nature's best thinkers. Crows are tool-using geniuses. They can bend wires into hooks, use leaves as tools, and even drop nuts onto roads so cars crack them open. Their intelligence rivals that of young children. Crows recognize human faces and remember who was friendly or not. If someone bothers a crow, it will warn the entire flock, and that information stays in crow communities for years. Some crows can solve multi-step puzzles that require planning, cooperation, and trial-and-error thinking. In Japan, crows wait for traffic lights to turn red, drop nuts in front of cars, and then collect the cracked nuts when the light changes. That's strategic thinking. They also make long-term decisions and can even use water displacement to lift objects, something many animals can't do. Crows are truly one of the smartest birds alive. African grey parrots are the language experts of the animal kingdom. They can memorize hundreds of words, but what's truly impressive is that they understand what those words mean. The famous African grey named Alex could identify colors, shapes, materials, and numbers. He even invented new words by combining sounds, showing creativity and understanding. Alex once told a researcher, "I'm tired, go away," which was completely appropriate for the moment. These parrots can solve puzzles, recognize patterns, and even understand the concept of zero, which children usually learn later in development. African greys also bond deeply with their owners and show emotional intelligence. They can imitate voices, understand sequences, and remember events. Their intelligence places them among the smartest animals on Earth. Elephants are gentle giants with massive brains and incredible memory. They can remember water sources from decades earlier and recognize friends they haven't seen in years. Elephants use tools, such as sticks to scratch themselves or branches to swat flies. They communicate through sound, touch, and even vibrations felt through the ground. One of the most impressive things about elephants is their emotional depth. They comfort each other, help injured herd members, and even mourn their dead. They recognize themselves in mirrors, a sign of advanced self-awareness found in very few animals. Elephants can solve problems, learn commands, and even cooperate to complete tasks. Their mix of intelligence, empathy, and memory makes them one of the smartest creatures in the animal world. Dolphins are social geniuses with one of the largest brains relative to body size. They communicate using whistles, clicks, and body language, and each dolphin has a unique name whistle that identifies them, just like humans have names. Dolphins solve puzzles, learn tricks quickly, and can understand grammar and meaning in human-made languages. They also use tools. Some dolphins protect their noses with sponges while hunting so they don't get injured. They form complex social groups, teach each other new hunting strategies, and even show play behavior, which is a sign of intelligence. Dolphins also recognize themselves in mirrors and show curiosity toward other animals. Their combination of social, emotional, and cognitive intelligence puts them among the smartest animals on the planet. Chimpanzees are our closest relatives, sharing about 98% of our DNA. They use tools to fish for termites, crack nuts with stones, and collect water with leaves shaped like sponges. Chimps understand teamwork, hunting together, using strategies and roles. They can trick each other, lie, and even manipulate social situations. In memory tests, chimpanzees often beat humans. Some can recall number patterns almost instantly, far better than most adults. Chimps also learn sign language, understand symbols, and teach skills to their young. Their intelligence covers problem-solving, communication, social strategy, and emotional awareness, making them one of the smartest species after humans. Humans take the top spot thanks to our ability to create, invent, imagine, and build. We communicate using complex languages, write books, make art, develop technology, and explore space. Our intelligence comes from cooperation. Humans learn from each other, pass knowledge across generations, and build on ideas. No other species on Earth has achieved this level of innovation. But even though we're number one, every animal on this list has a unique kind of intelligence. From emotional understanding to tool use, memory, problem solving, and creativity. That's what makes the animal kingdom so fascinating. Thanks for watching. Which animal surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments, and if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe for more animal stories every week. See you in the next one.